Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Mate Xs2 and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So let's begin with making sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and simply for checking for the updates you can either use Wi-Fi or mobile data. But if you will decide that you'd like to download the update, I highly recommend switching to the Wi-Fi so you can avoid some unnecessary charges. So the internet connection, and then we can go to the settings. In the settings we have to scroll down to the very bottom and find System and Updates, and then tap on Software Update at the top. And now your device will check for the updates, and basically you can meet two different scenarios. This is the first one where your software is up to date and there's nothing to download, and the second one is where your device will actually find the update. It will show you the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to tap on download or install, which will appear somewhere here, and apply the update. Moreover, you can simply tap on this settings icon, so gear icon in the right upper corner, and here we've got this option auto downloader over Wi-Fi. So basically you will not have to check for the updates all the time. You can simply turn this option on just by tapping on the switcher, and thanks to it your device will be allowed to automatically download the updates over the Wi-Fi. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.